Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner and here you will be able to see this security option. So you need to tap on security and then you are going to see this Google 2FA authentication banner in the top, or you are going to see this Google 2FA authentication tab over here. Right next to it, you are going to see this toggle button. So if you tap on this toggle button, it will first verify your email address. So you just have to open the email address which is registered on your Bybit account and you just have to copy the code from there and you simply need to paste it over here first. Afterwards, you need to press the confirm button. Then it will ask you to install the Google Authenticator application on phone. So you just have to install it and then you need to press continue. After that, it will give you this key. So you just have to copy this key and then you just have to launch your Google Authenticator app. After that, you need to select the option of add a passkey and you simply need to paste this key over there. Then a code will be generated in your Google Authenticator application. So you need to copy that code from there and you simply need to paste that code over here. After that, it will show you that your Google Authenticator is set up successfully and this toggle button will be turned on. So this is how you can easily set up the Google Authenticator on Bybit app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.